Hey Unbox fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie. Techtober is in full swing, and to add to all of the crazy releases, OPPO Philippines just launched their new Reno smartphones in the country. Now there's already a video up on the Reno 2 on the channel, but in this one we're going to be taking a look at what could be the spiritual successor to the F series, the OPPO Reno2 F. Of course, before we get to the unboxing, there is a giveaway for the Huawei Watch GT. All you have to do is click the link down below, follow instructions, and best of luck, guys. Alright, here it is, guys, the OPPO Reno2 F and everything that comes inside the box. There's the usual set of documents, set that aside and keep it. There's a jelly case which looks to be tougher than the average ones you usually get. You have the phone itself. Our Reno2 F came in late green, but I honestly prefer the sky white color variant of this one. You have a SIM ejector tool, the USB-C cable, the VOOC charger, and a pair of earphones. So that's it for the unboxing. Now let's talk about the phone. Now in terms of design, there really isn't much of a difference between the Reno 2 and the Reno 2 F. Heck, it even looks similar to the phone's previous iterations, but hey, don't fix it if it ain't broke, right? The phone looks great with that strip along the center punctuated by the camera array, giving it symmetry. Again, it looks similar to the Reno 2, and one of the ways you can tell them apart just by looking at the back is that placement of the tiny dot, which I keep on forgetting what OPPO calls it, but it does help protect the cameras from getting scuffed up. Speaking of which, you are getting Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and back of the phone, so it should hold up to everyday wear and tear a little bit better. For a quick tour of the phone's button and port layout, you have the power button and access to the SIM tray on the right side. The volume rocker is on the left. On top are the microphone and the pop-up camera module. And on the bottom you have the headphone jack, another microphone, a USB-C port, and the speaker grill. For the screen, you have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. No notches here because of the selfie camera, which gives you a screen-to-body ratio of 91.1%. Picture quality is superb as expected of a panel of this type. I think you've heard me express my love for AMOLED panels before, so I hope you just enjoy the video I'm playing on the phone. So we've touched on it a little bit, but let's talk about the selfie cameras. No more baby shark pop up here, it's just the standard one. It's very similar to the one on the Mi 9T Pro or the Mi 9T, complete with those light effects. It houses a 16 megapixel front camera at f2.0, but we haven't been able to take selfies yet, so stay tuned. Moving on to the rear cameras, you have a quad camera setup that's exactly like the one on the A9 2020. By the way, we have another video coming up featuring that device. I promise you don't want to miss it because we have a special guest for that one. Anyway, you have a 48 megapixel main camera at f1.8, an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel mono lens, and a 2 megapixel portrait lens for software assisted bokeh. Again, no sample photos yet. I'm very sorry guys, it's been a crazy month, but do follow us on Instagram because I will be posting photos from this device on our account, so yeah, give us a follow. Now moving on to the processing package of the Reno 2 F, it's got a Helio P70 processor under the hood that's paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now we've had our fair share of experience with this processing package and it does have enough oomph, but I really wish that they used a Snapdragon SoC in this one, and I have a feeling I'm not the only one. For the battery, it's at 4000 mAh with support for VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. We'll see how long it actually lasts using our benchmark tests and with actual use, but I pretty much know what to expect already. As usual, you are getting Android Pie out of the box with Color OS on top of it, and OPPO says that we should be getting an update to their new UI overlay that's based on Android 10 by the end of the year. The OPPO Reno 2 F is priced at 19,990 pesos, and there's certainly a lot of options at that price point, but we'll see how it fares to see if it's worth considering. So that pretty much wraps this one up. Again, thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all of the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.